Hello guys, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna do the power washing here this driveway. We're gonna try to do the one piece with bleach, the other piece with degreaser. I'm gonna show it to you later how it looks like, and the other one without nothing. I mean just the power wash, and that's it. And now this part is gonna be with the bleach, with the Clorox. And you see we use that pump from the vault. You don't need nothing else to do that job. And the next piece, we're gonna use this one. It's called Ecolab. It removes grease, dirt, oil for concrete driveways and degreaser. It looks like this. I'm gonna try use that also on the other piece. Alright, and I'm gonna use this portion. Let me just pump it. And you can see the reaction is starting right away. Alright, I think it's enough. Let it stay like for a few minutes. And this piece we're gonna use without any solution. I mean, guys, you can see here is the. Of course, there was a different between how it was and how it's now, but I don't know.